FAA Airframe AMT Study Guide. Aircraft Fuel Systems. Let's get your AMT license. We are very close to finishing the chapter on aircraft fuel systems. Stay tuned in all of our channels. Question 8802. How may the anti-knock characteristics of a fuel be improved? Answer by adding a knock inhibitor. Explanation. The anti-knock characteristics of a fuel may be improved by adding a knock inhibitor, such as tetraethyl lead to the fuel. Reference: FAA H88331. Question 8737. The probe of a capacitance-type fuel level gauge is essentially a answer capacitor with fuel and air acting as a dielectric. Explanation. A capacitance-type fuel quantity indicating system uses a capacitor, condenser, as a tank probe. FAA and air are the dielectric between the plates of the probe. Reference: FAA H808331. Question 8738. Which statement concerning an electronic capacitance-type fuel quantity indicating system is true? Answer: it has no moving parts in the tank. Explanation. The capacitance-type fuel quantity indicating system uses probes with no moving parts inside the tank. These probes are made of two concentric tubes that serve as the plates of a capacitor. Fuel and air act as the dielectric. Reference: FAA H808331. Question 8739. What type of remote reading fuel quantity indicating system has several probes installed in each fuel tank? Answer: electronic. Explanation. The electronic capacitance type remote reading fuel quantity indicating system has several probes installed in each fuel tank. The total capacity of the probes accurately relates to the amount of fuel in the tank. Reference: FAA H808331. Question 8740. Which aircraft fuel quantity indicating system incorporates a signal amplifier? Answer: electronic. Explanation. An electronic capacitance-type fuel quantity indicating system incorporates a signal amplifier. Reference: FAA H808331. Question 8741. A drip gauge may be used to measure. Answer: the amount of fuel in the tank. Explanation. A drip gauge is used to measure the quantity of fuel in a fuel tank when the aircraft is on the ground. The drip gauge is pulled down from the bottom of the tank until fuel begins to drip from its end. The quantity of fuel in the tank is indicated on the gauge by the amount the gauge is pulled from the tank before it begins to drip. Reference: FAA H808331. Question 8742. The electronic type fuel quantity indicating system consists of a bridge circuit. Answer: an amplifier, an indicator, and a tank unit. Explanation. An electronic capacitance type fuel quantity indicating system contains the following parts: capacitor probes mounted in the tanks, a bridge circuit to measure the capacity of the probes, an amplifier to increase the amplitude of the signal from the bridge circuit to a value high enough to drive the indicator, an indicator mounted in the instrument panel to show the amount of fuel in the tanks. Reference: FAA H808331. Keep studying. Every question takes you closer to your FAA certification.